Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Voyage drone fly. First, always begin by ensuring both your drone and remote controller are fully charged. A typical drone battery takes about 90 minutes to reach full capacity, providing around 15 to 20 minutes of flight time. Next, select a wide-open outdoor space, ideally at least 20 feet by 20 feet, clear of trees, power lines, or people. Finally, give your drone a quick visual inspection, making sure all 4 propellers are securely attached and undamaged. Once your drone and controller are powered on, they should automatically pair within a few seconds. Look for a solid green light on both devices, indicating a successful connection. If it blinks, try restarting both. Next, it's crucial to calibrate the compass. Hold the drone horizontally and rotate it 360 degrees, then repeat vertically. Finally, place the drone on a perfectly flat surface for a few seconds to calibrate its gyroscopes, ensuring stable flight. With calibration complete, you're ready for takeoff. To arm the motors, push both joysticks simultaneously up and outwards. You'll hear the propellers spin up. Then, slowly and smoothly push the left joystick upwards to lift off. The left joystick controls altitude and rotation, while the right joystick moves the drone forward, backward, left, and right. Start by practicing hovering at a safe height of about 5 to 10 feet to get a feel for the controls. When you're ready to land, bring your drone to a stable hover at a low altitude, perhaps 3 feet above the ground. Then, slowly and gently pull the left joystick downwards. The drone will descend smoothly. Once it has safely touched down, push both joysticks down and inwards to disarm the motors completely. Finally, always remember to power off your drone first, followed by your remote controller, to conserve battery life and ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.